Carry behind the line. 3, 2, 1, power!
And here we go with qualification match number 37. We've got movement from all 6 of our robots. That's always a great sign here in the autonomous period. Can we get someone to take control of the switch and get that autonomous ranking point? It doesn't look like that will occur, so we've got a high score of 15 as we head into the teleoperated period. This will be decided by driver points. Blue gets ownership of its switch thanks to 7047, so they will take the lead. 1 point per second. Red needs to get ownership of something as that lead just keeps growing for the Blue Alliance. Got 2 red robots in possession of cubes. Where will they go? Looks like 6353 is going over to the power-up station. Red still does not have ownership. Blue has ownership now of switch and scale. So their lead, which is 8 points, will be growing at 2 points per second. 54-49, trying to get a cube onto its switch. It's just not quite coming out. Over on the blue side, we also have 58-49. Just either disabled, not connected, just not moving. We hear a power-up already, and looks like Red is doing a levitate. They will get credit for a climb. 7047 is able to get another cube up there onto the scale. Blue has ownership of switch and scale. Red now has ownership of its switch, so they will be getting a point per second. Unfortunately, Blue is getting 2 points per second, so they just kind of slow down the bleeding, but they haven't stopped it. Blue has a very large lead. They've just been called for a penalty, however, by the head ref, so that will even to their lead slightly. Now Blue is going after Red switch, trying to neutralize it. Can't quite do so. Well, officially, nope, Red still has control of its switch. Blue, however, has control of its switch and scale. There goes 58-49. They move, come to life, look to be grabbing the cube there, and we are now at 30 seconds. 3-0, 30 seconds left in the match. Teams can start their end game if they'd like. They have to be careful, however, not to interfere with other robots as they try to climb. We hear another power-up. That would be Red. Red activating the boost power-up to try to cut into this lead. Unfortunately, it's 150 points, and we're fewer than 10 seconds left in the match. Doesn't look like we'll have a lot of in-game going on here. In 3, 2, 1. 54-49 looks like they got up onto the platform. Waiting on those official results. Head ref's happy, so here comes those official results. That match does in fact go to the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance winning that match with a score of 320 to 175 points. Blue team's getting 2 ranking points. You can see 70-47 moves into an alliance picking selection of number 8.